At Shell, safety comes first. Today we're taking you through our secure and professional dashcam installation process, step by step. 1. We begin with protection. Our experts always wear gloves for a safe and clean installation. 2. Next, we open the dashcam box from its retail box. 3. To protect the vehicle, we use a plastic trim tool, never metal, to avoid scratches or damage. 4. Using the plastic trim tool, we carefully remove the front door rubber beading from the center of the door to the B pillar. 5. We do the same for the rear door by carefully removing the rubber beading from the B pillar to the C pillar to ensure a seamless continuous installation. 6. Since we already checked for interior gaps while installing the front dashcam, we measure the wiring length accordingly, leaving space for the non-concealed section that connects to the dashcam. 7. Leaving space for the wire based on our measurements, we use a plastic trim tool to install the wire along the roof. 8. Then we neatly route the wire through the roof to the B pillar. 9. Then using the plastic trim tool, we neatly conceal the wire inside the B pillar. 10. Then we neatly route the wire from the B pillar through the roof lining to the C pillar. 11. Then we reattach both rubber beadings to ensure the wires stay securely in place. 12. Then using the plastic trim tool, we neatly route the wire through the C pillar to the rear trunk. 13. Then we remove the trunk rubber beading from the C pillar to the center of the trunk door. 14. Then we route the wire along the roof lining inside the trunk. 15. We then connect the rear dashcam cable to the main dashcam unit in the front and the wire in the trunk. 16. Then we turn on the ignition to power up the dashcam and check that everything is working properly. 17. After turning the ignition off, we then measure the wiring length accordingly, leaving space for the non-concealed section that connects to the dashcam. 18. Leaving space for the wire based on our measurements, we carefully install the dashcam. 19. Then we carefully tuck the excess wire into the roof ceiling to prevent loose wires and ensure better cable management. 20. We then reinstall the trunk rubber beading and double check everything to ensure a stable connection and to maintain your car's interior integrity. 21. Finally, we confirm that all settings are correctly calibrated and that the camera is recording optimally. Your dashcam is now installed and ready to keep you safe on every journey. At Shell, we prioritize safety and precision. Visit us today for a professional dashcam installation.